Now, you would think that, you know, if someone's dying because basically this court cases is taking so long, and that it's causing someone who's had a is being considered for a heart transplant, and basically that it's distressing and causing the harm of a patient, and asking to speed up the trial. You would think the courts would actually do something, but no. Well, what they do is they extend these out for 3 years, and they have no consideration of killing anyone. Now, magistrates, they do have concern for medical opinions, which is their own. Basically, instead of following law or acting, you know, within the laws, what they do is they have their own medical assessments that they do. And she assessed that both me and my lawyer were narcissists, because basically we were exposing this and she didn't like it. So she actually waves a magic wand, and basically we're narcissists now because you know, we're exposing everything. Now, here was in the subpoenaed material. And basically, again, so you're not allowed to have that subpoenaed material, because basically, you know, you might find something where, you know, it's going to expose them. So, yep, you're not allowed to do that. Anyway, my daughter, with the mother's own doctor, on the 31st of the 8th, whilst she was in the mother's care, my daughter weighed 7.25 kilos. When I hadn't seen my daughter, and I first saw her after 8 months, basically she was as skinny as a rake, and I was really concerned. Basically, I rescued my daughter, and I had her for 5 weeks, and I wanted to show the courts too that you know, and I was the applicant. And so I wrote to the courts and told them that I was going to rescue my daughter. And basically, whilst I had her, she put on 20% body weight, and that was proven by her own medical practitioner, actually weighing my daughter after the courts gave the mother my daughter, and basically ordered that I was to see her at a contact centre for absconding, and that's what they called it. But the thing was yeah, the judge doesn't she said, I'm not a medical practitioner, and basically only a medical practitioner would understand, you know, that within a 5-week period or whatever, you know, of my daughter putting on 20% body weight, she said that could be normal. Well, you know, she's a doctor one moment, and then she's not a doctor the next. You know, it's just all just chaos in those family courts. So I'm going to show you a video where the mother lied in her affidavit, and the children's lawyer, you know, kept quiet about it, and the mother's lawyer, basically, she didn't want to know about it, she just ignored. And I was actually seeing my daughter. Well, I actually had lunch with them, and I hadn't seen my daughter in 3 months, and basically it was the mother's lawyer and the mother who were denying contact. But, you know, judge magistrate, she doesn't want to know anything at all about that the mother was a criminal in these proceedings, and fabricating lies in her courtroom.
Is it the wiggles? Look! Oh, the wiggles! Where's your butterflies? Ta-da! Ah, yeah! Boom, boom, boom! I get you, I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna get you! Oh, yeah! Oh, say hello! There's Mommy. Say hi, Mommy.
Do you remember your fish, Fiona?
Oh, that's your fish.
want to say bye, Daddy?
No.
No, you don't want to say bye? Do you want to cuddles? You want to hold Daddy? Yeah.
Mommy holding this one? No. No, Daddy hold this one.
Daddy hold this one.
How about this one? Mommy hold?
Let's say goodbye. Bye, 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 Fiona. Bye, Fiona.
See you next time. No. I know Fiona, it's hard.
Bye, Fiona.
You, Mommy, go catch.
This way.
You're not supposed to be
Yeah,
here.
this way.
This way, come on, this way. Come this way. Come on. Come on.
Come on.
I think it's one of the best things is just to say bye to her and then
And stay away for more time.
So I'm not arguing anything.
No, I realise, but you know I don't do anything wrong by Fiona. Daddy.
Can you press the button for Mommy?
Daddy, press the button. Oh, okay, so Bruce. Ready? Okay, push. Forward. Oh! I'll let her know that I'm going.
Do you want to cuddle Daddy?
Do you want to cuddle Daddy? Huh?
Cuddle. Oh, kiss.
Oh. Kiss. Mwah. You want a kiss for Daddy? Mwah.
You press the button. You press the button.
I want to press button, Daddy. Red one.
Don't touch red one.
Don't press the red.
This one.
Oh, okay, press that one. Oh, there we go. Mummy wants Daddy to go now.
Say bye, Daddy.
No.
Yes.
No. Stop it. Don't stop it.
Okay, kiss Daddy. Bye, Fiona.
No.
Hey,
Stop
Fiona.
it. Stop it.
I know, Fiona.
No, stop it.
You don't want to see the mommy? You don't want to see the Imo?
No.
Sammy?
No.
You,
I'm with Daddy.
you want to see Daddy?
Yes.
You want to go to Fiona's house?
I'm house.
Fiona home.
Okay.
And you see the fish?
We have fish at home.
Oh, see fish.
And who is it that hasn't given any time to her?
Oh, fishy.
Yeah, we have fish at home.
Oh, fishy
You want
here.
Fiona's fish?
Oh, this fish.
It's green.
Okay, Fiona. Daddy has to go.
Oh,
Mummy
my
wants
God.
Daddy to go.
Let's get the bread.
Daddy blood, yeah? Is Daddy blood?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so bye, Fiona.
Kiss Daddy.
No.
It's okay, Fiona.
Stop it.
I know it's hard.
Where's here? I
Why can't you just let her come
Come where?
to my house?
No, John.
Not today, just another day.
No.
Why?
We're gonna use the context in the day too.
Why?
John, I don't wanna discuss it in front of us. Sorry.
But why? What have I done ever to Fiona?
Doesn't matter, John. No, sorry.
No.
You go catch the bird. We go catch the bird.
Oh, mommy, I want Daddy try.
Oh,
No.
What's up, baby? Bye, Daddy. It's okay, it's okay.
Bye, Fiona. EK. EK. She's stopping crying because she can see I'm coming to her. Bye, Fiona. The mother was really pissed off that I arrived, because basically it proved that we could actually get along. But you know, shh, Magistrate Denmark, shh. According to the psychiatrist, he ended up saying in the courtroom that I'm a danger to society. I'm a danger to the family courts. So that video there, basically it was shown in the courtroom, and the judge just goes, right, there you go, there's proof that the father is a horrible, you know, basically a horrible man. And the children's report writer, basically, you know, they all just yes, and they all nod in an agreement, and the children's lawyer. And you're thinking, oh my goodness. So the mother doesn't break, that fails to abide by the court orders. You hadn't seen your daughter in 8 months, and then you go to court because you think, oh, you know, good place, that one, justice, you know. And so then you don't get to see your daughter for a further 3 months because of these criminals. And then you are the one who has the problem, because you try and see your daughter, and you're trying to give time to your daughter, and you can see how much my daughter, she loves me. I don't understand how I can stop the mother from breaking the court orders. I mean, she lies through her teeth, and I got to suffer because of it. This is criminals at their best. When I'm going to show you how much these people can torture someone. You know, just because the lawyer wants to get the best for the mother, they can torture you. And I'm going to show you how much they can torture you in a family court. Now this is the ideal situation where basically I live at A, and it's only 8 kilometers to B, and which is, you know, 4 miles, and then the mother lives at C, and she only has to travel less than me to go to McDonald's, and McDonald's, there's cameras everywhere, and basically you know, it's a safe place. So that was the ideal situation. The mother agreed to was actually me travelling 544 kilometres to, instead of travelling 8 kilometres each of us, or even less for the mother, I had to do 544 kilometres for one visitation, and I had to go from F to B, which is, you know, going through different towns to go all the way to the Gold Coast, and then I had to travel all the way up to the Sunshine Coast to actually pick up my daughter, travel back to F again, then drop my daughter back off at E, and then go back to B, and then back to F,